The allure of motorcycling beckons with the promise of adventure, freedom, and a unique connection to the open road. For beginners venturing into this exhilarating world, choosing the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision. The Suzuki SV650, celebrated for its affordability, balanced performance, and beginner-friendly attributes, emerges as an outstanding choice for aspiring riders on a budget. With its accessible power, versatile design, and rider-centric features, the SV650 provides an ideal platform for beginners to commence their journey of skill development, excitement, and exploration without breaking the bank. Affordable performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Suzuki SV650 lies a refined 645cc V-twin engine that strikes a harmonious balance between power and manageability. This engine delivers a smooth and responsive performance, allowing beginners to experience the thrill of riding without straining their budget. Versatile design and timeless aesthetics. The SV650 boasts a versatile design that appeals to a wide range of riding styles. Its timeless lines, unadorned appearance, and minimalist styling elements embody a blend of versatility and simplicity that resonates with riders seeking a motorcycle adaptable to their preferences. Aspiring riders not only embrace the joy of riding but also connect with the SV650's timeless appeal. Comfortable ergonomics and rider-centric layout. The SV650 is thoughtfully designed for rider comfort. It offers an ergonomic riding position that ensures comfort during both short commutes and extended journeys. The upright posture, well-positioned handlebars, and a comfortable seat contribute to a rider-centric setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and nimble agility. The Suzuki SV650 is celebrated for its responsive handling and nimble maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and agile characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate city streets, twisty roads, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains a priority for beginner riders, and the SV650 often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in aspiring riders as they develop their riding skills. Urban commutes and beyond. The SV650's versatility extends beyond city commutes. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between urban travels and extended escapes, all while enjoying the motorcycle's adaptable and enjoyable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Suzuki brand create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the road and the SV650's rider-centric attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Suzuki SV650 encourages skill development as aspiring riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of motorcycling. Budget-friendly long-term riding. The SV650 isn't just an affordable starting point, it's a reliable companion for the rider's journey ahead. Its budget-friendly price, manageable maintenance costs, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the SV650 for years to come. Conclusion. The Suzuki SV650 exemplifies Suzuki's commitment to providing an affordable and thrilling introduction to the world of motorcycling for aspiring riders. With its accessible performance, versatile design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the SV650 offers an immersive gateway to the joy of riding without stretching one's budget. By choosing a Suzuki SV650 as their first motorcycle, aspiring riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for versatility, affordability, and the exhilaration of conquering the open road on two wheels.